For which of the following functions is f of a plus b equal to f of a plus f of b for all positive numbers a and b? So function questions, these types of questions, I almost always test numbers. And the one thing to keep in mind is, if I want what must be true for all positive numbers a and b. So if I test numbers and I find that they are equal to each other, I cannot say that answer choice is necessarily the right one, because I've only proven it's true for that one example. And I would have to test more examples to definitively prove it's true. What I can do, though, is if I can test an example and I get that these guys aren't equal to each other, I can eliminate that option. So I'm sort of, by choosing the test numbers here, I am trying to eliminate the 4 wrong answer choices more so than select the right one. So let's just say a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Let's see what that gets us. So for which of the following functions is f of a plus b equal to f of a plus f of b? Okay, so for answer choice A, f of a plus b would be f of 5. And that would be equal to 25, so 5 squared. And then f of a plus f of b would be f of 2 plus f of 3, which would be equal to 2 squared plus 3 squared. So 4 plus 9, which is equal to 13. So 25 is not equal to 13, so A is out. Statement 2, f of 5. So we can rewrite up here. Generically, we're looking for, is f of 5 equal to f of 2 plus f of 3? Statement 2, so f of 5 would be 6, 5 plus 1. F of 2 plus f of 3. So f of 2 would be 3, and f of 3 would be 3 plus 1, so 4. 6 is not equal to 7, although they are close. So B cannot be our guy. For C, f of 5 is equal to the square root of 5, and I can see this isn't going to be true because this is a common mistake a lot of my students make, hopefully only once, because I don't allow it to happen again. So f of 2 plus f of 3 would be rad 2 plus rad 3. Rad 2 plus rad 3 is definitely not equal to rad 5. Never, never do that. D, f of 5 would be 2 over 5. And then f of 2 plus f of 3 would be equal to 2 over 2, which is 1, plus 2 over 3, so 1 and 2/3, which is nowhere close to 2/5. So we've eliminated A through D. So we can select E if we want, if we're confident that we did our math right, or we can try and then see if this actually does work. So f of 5 here would be negative 3 times 5, so negative 15. F of 2 would be negative 6. F of 3 would be negative 9, so negative 6 plus negative 9 is negative 15, and these two guys are equal to each other, and E is our answer.